Hello fellow trans lovers, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, also leave a comment below. So watch here is a video of Ukaya Dladla, known as UGC, sending a heartfelt message via e-video to Babes Wodumo. He is just showing love to Babes Wodumo. Take a look. Thank you guys for watching.
Sanibonani guys. I record this video with a very sad heart. Ngikho right, and I want to personally say to Ubongekile Simelani, who is also known as Babes Wodumo, Sami, not everyone is for you. Not everyone comes across as umuntu ozokusiza or umuntu ozokuthanda, and we open up our hearts to people we think basithanda. So I just wanted to say ngiyathemba right. I'm here should you need anything. Ngiwukhaya Dladla. uNkulunkulu khona sithando sami, uNkulunkulu khona, and I just hope you're safe. And you made me cry. I've been thinking about you the whole day. Uthandwa ndim neSouth Africa yonke. So ey'nsukwini enjengalezi sekuqhamuka izimo enjengalezi, please make sure ukuthi you use this situation to your best, to the best of your advantage. Right now, you are Babes Wodumo. You make amazing music. So isikhathi esinjengalesi where you make that music, izimo enjengalezi where you make the music, noma ngathi ubani otheni asinandaba. At the end of the day, we want music from Babes Wodumo. Bring us our babes. Asinandaba nobani otheni, we love you.